Okay, so there's 2 weeks left in the project. Last time we were out here, I showed you that there was some growth on branch 1 of these growths on the pollen cone. You can see 2 weeks later they've grown quite a bit. Last week it was kind of a consistent growth, it looks like, between weeks actually. Last week they grew some, this week they grew a little more. Big change this week was the seed cones. The pine or the needle length stayed approximately the same, but this one seems to be growing pretty well even through these pretty dismal weather conditions we've had the last 2 weeks with quite a substantial amount of precipitation, cool weather. However, branch 1 looks about the same as we left it last time. You can see the pollen cone hasn't changed, seed cone hasn't changed either. So this one, I guess this is what happens on a low limb. You can see this limb here, one of the adjacent limbs, is also kind of in the same situation. However, there's some limbs here on the other side that I kind of found interesting, kind of branching off the same branch here, and about the same level as the target for branch 2. These ones seem to be growing a fair amount. All of these have the growths in the pollen cone. This one here I found interesting because you can see that there's been a little growth there on the end, probably to cover up some sort of parasitic activity. So there you have it. There'll be one more check-in in 2 weeks, and we'll see kind of where this tree gets to. As you can see, the vegetation is still continuing to just grow and grow pretty quickly with all the moisture it's gotten. So we'll check in 2 weeks and we'll see where we're at.